What's up YouTube? It's me Gio from Wall Street Investing with Gio. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all the mayhem that happened this past week with GameStop and Robinhood. I'll let you know why I'm switching from Robinhood to a new brokerage, and I'm going to tell you why this war is far from over. I'm going to let you know what I think is possibly going to happen next week. Alright guys, stay tuned. YouTube friends and family, just a friendly reminder, if you enjoy content like this that is free, transparent, and not being hidden behind a paywall, consider subscribing to my channel. Alright guys, let's get into this.
Many of the biggest of the big getting just a little bit smaller today. Investors selling what's saleable, maybe to raise cash. Apple losing nearly 4% today, down more than 5% this week. Tesla, Microsoft, Facebook, and others also getting sold off. Perhaps the reason? Smaller traders banding together online, bidding up some of the stocks that big hedge funds are betting will fall.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been an absolute wild, chaotic week on Wall Street, and more so for the GameStop stock, and a lot of the meme stocks are completely like skyrocketing this week. And why is this happening? One of the biggest reasons for this is because there's a lot of backlash happening right now on the internet over basically the market manipulation that's happening among Wall Street, and potentially the manipulation that people feel that's happening with Robinhood and Citadel. If you guys are not aware, as it stands right now, you guys may know that GameStop was on an absolute tear midweek, and during that time, Robinhood decided to ban the purchasing GameStop shares, and that caused a lot of controversy. If you guys don't know, stocks go up when people buy them. Stocks go down when people sell them. And Robinhood decided to only allow the option to sell the stock. I believe it was on Wednesday. This caused a massive stir up and just a huge backlash, because this is absolutely unconstitutional and illegal to do that. There were a lot of speculation. People were thinking that Robinhood had a liquidity problem, meaning they didn't have enough money to pay out like people that were investing in GameStop in case the shorts go bankrupt. But then people started to dig in. People realized that Robinhood actually has a relationship with Citadel. If you guys don't know who Citadel is Citadel is actually the company that gave the loan to Melvin Capital when they were about to go bankrupt. And Robinhood is the brokerage, but the market maker is Citadel. Citadel is the one that basically makes the trade when you're trying to get a stock, like let's say GameStop. On Robinhood, Citadel is the ones that's the market maker that'll ultimately give you the price that you're asking for. So when they saw this was going on, this, by the way, has a big figure that people are thinking is a conflict of interest. The fact that Robinhood is banning buying of GameStop and a lot of other stocks, which I'll show you guys, and Citadel happens to be the one that's possibly going to be being affected by this. It causes there's a lot of like controversy that people believe that there was that Citadel told Robinhood to stop letting them like trade the stock so they don't like lose money. And to add on to this, there was even a bigger story that was developed as the week went on. You had big time celebrities and entrepreneurs like Elon Musk coming out on Twitter telling everyone to basically, here come the shorty apologists, give them no respect, get shorty. This got people in quite the frenzy and caused the GameStop stock to continue to rise. And then after that, you had after Chamath Palihapitiya realized that Robinhood restricted trading, he got really pissed off and he submitted a tweet as well. And this is actually to focus on the Chamath thing, because I'm going to get to this on the next slide so you guys can understand, or the next image, so you guys can understand how this is really starting to get bad and why I'm going to be deleting Robinhood and joining a new brokerage. So Chamath mentioned how I remember when I met Robinhood app founders when they were raising their seed, Series A and Series B. I passed. Why? Optimize for integrity whenever possible, because integrity compounds and assholes will bleep you. And he started the trend of delete Robinhood. And this is important for several reasons, primarily because the next day, which was Thursday, Robinhood went ahead and started to limit or not allow the purchase of certain stocks, which is absolutely unprecedented and very, very unconstitutional. This got a lot of backlash from the media as well. And I have I get that maybe they wanted to stop the purchase of GameStop, but this is like ridiculous. They stopped the purchase of AMD. For what reason? Limit to one, which is absolutely incredible. I don't understand why they stopped AMD. Another stock they stopped from purchasing was Starbucks. I'm like, what the hell? Are you serious? Starbucks? This is no longer like a brokerage I want to be with. But to add insult to injury, remember when I told you about Chamath's tweet? The reason that that's important is because not only did they stop the meme stocks, but if you take a look at right here, IPOE, IPOF, this is very important because Chamath owns these SPACs. He's going to be merging with these companies. IPOE for right now, I believe, is going to be SoFi. IPOF hasn't found someone to merge with, but the fact that they limited them to one share, and if you remember, Chamath said to delete Robinhood. This is very suspicious. This is absolutely ridiculous. I refuse to continue to be on this brokerage for sure. So this past week, a key level that people were trying to keep, or the retail investors wanted to keep the stock at, was above 320. If you guys notice right here on Thursday, the stock price shot up to around 482, and then there was a sharp decline at the end of market on Thursday, all the way up to around 1 o'clock. And then same thing was about to happen over here, where you had a sharp increase, and then there was starting to begin a big sell-off. But it was key to keep the stock price around 320 or higher in order to make those people that are holding those shorts of around 320 to have to purchase back the shares at the new price. So they were able to do that. And now come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they're going to have to figure out what they're going to do that with those shares. A lot of people are speculating that they might crack a deal with the market makers and they might not have to pay them. This is all speculation. I'm not sure what's going to happen. All I know is that I've been in the GameStop stock for in and out for several weeks now, and I'm starting to realize this game is rigged. They don't want us to win. Whatever the case is, for now, I'm going to continue to diamond hands the crap out of this stock. I don't plan on selling, and I'm just going to hold. That's what my plan is. So based on all that information, a lot of people think there could be another gamma squeeze coming next week. I'm not 100% sure. Again, based on what's been happening the past week with Robinhood and with just basically like the manipulation that you're seeing in the market, I don't know. It could happen. It could not happen. You never know. But for now, to end the week, and as long as this goes on, I plan to hold. And even if Robinhood restricts me to only buying one share of GameStop, I'm going to buy it come Monday. Currently, I'm going to be switching over to Webull, but I don't plan on doing it right now just because if you guys don't know, if you want to change brokerages, it takes around 7 days to switch over brokerages. And during that time, I don't want to be holding GameStop stock while this thing is being transferred over. So I'm going to decide to just basically hold off on transferring it until GameStop war is over. And after this is all said and done, I am completely out of Robinhood, and I'll be heading on over to Webull. But what are you guys doing? Again, this is all just my opinion. None of this should be taken as financial advice. Whatever you're doing, let me know on the comment section down below, and we can have a chat about it. All right, my name is Gio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.